bearing in mind that fine leg is now up inside the circle.
Side again, gets past mid-wicket, square legs in the D. Excellent first boundary for New Zealand. Good timing, good placement.
And much needed as well here at Newlands. McCullum, nice little stroke. Didn't try to smash it, just used the pace of the bowler and just struck it where he wanted to. Just in front of that side of mid-wicket. And the man at deep backward square had a lot of room to cover and couldn't get there. Really nice timing from McCullum. No slip, but a gully for Tumvia.
He's got that. That is big. That's in the brewery.
What did Bumble say about happy hour? Because it's going to start to rev up. The music is amping. Might not be that sunny here in Newlands, but I tell you what, that bat is starting to smile here for Vincent. Really sweet that. Got low, cleared that front hip, and look at the bottom hand. Cute little champion.
New ball, please. One of the biggest here at Newlands. 90 metres, they reckon. Change of ball, Lou Vincent asks. Yes, it is. Change of ball. Doesn't make much difference. Possibly just a 4. Yep, 4.
Just drag it down too much, Tumvia. 29 without loss after 4. Just drag it down too much, Tumvia. 29 without loss after 4.
That is a very neat piece of work, and on the boundary as well, Shahid Afridi.
He's a very good cricketer, Shahid Afridi. He's been instrumental in the field. He's geeing up the boys all the time. That is the news we hear from the dressing room, and this effort will seriously warm the hearts of.
So now a couple of deliveries. First one was a wide, so 2 legitimate ones. So immediately tucked around the corner. I'll look for a couple, get it comfortably. That's that under the ball, Ian Bishop.
Yeah, after it's run over the grass a couple of times, that's when it becomes difficult to grip. It almost slips out of the fingers. We haven't seen Shahid Afridi just yet sort of wiping it, but 8 and over would get New Zealand to 154. It will impede the turn too much. Shahid Afridi is not a big spinner of the ball. And get some bounce and get the ball to drift. Doesn't seem to be having too much of an impact just yet, but it's still very early.
Sent back, and I think he's got back. And Torfel is going to go upstairs though, just to make sure.
Wise decision. Think it might have needed a direct hit. Feel that the batsman got back, McCullum. Needed a direct hit.
Runs have been scored.
Throwing off target, throwing when they don't need to. Gone. Caught and bowled by Fawad Alam. He's slower through the air. There's a lack of pace on the ball. The batsmen have to make the pace, generate the pace. And that's a smart piece of bowling and smart catching. The end of Vincent.
Yeah, disappointing he will be. Got to start again. Out for 28. New Zealand lose their first wicket at 50.
Batsmen, I think, hate the brain breaks more than bowlers do. No, it's a good thing he's left-handed, Fawad Alam. Trying to generate pace down the ground, and it's gone to his strong side. It's a good reaction, and he's done.
All go here. Freddie skidding on with his wrist spin. That's a big shout, and that could be given because, yes, it looks straight, even with just a quick look here from the commentary box. He missed out. It was short and it needed to go, McCullum. And he has missed one that he should have smashed to the fence. He's gone for 26. New Zealand find themselves 74 for 2. Absolute bonus from Shai Afridi.
Well, the big handle had to come, but it's gone to Perish. And Styris perishes for the cause. That's the third New Zealand wicket gone. Sohail Tanvir takes the catch. Styris is gone. It's 85 for 3 now. Styris gone for 19. Styris is gone. It's 85 for 3 now. Styris gone for 19.
Well, trying to slice the ball, and Umar Gul has been very decent with his pace and direction. Sohail Tanvir had to get underneath that one. Pressure catch made it look extremely easy. He's looking to hit it over cover, then that slice making it possible for Sohail Tanvir to come into the equation. High ball, took his time, got underneath it, safe as a house.
Straight to cover. It's another catch. The captain takes it, and New Zealand wickets are falling.
It may work to New Zealand's advantage to lose Peter Fulton, because he wasn't doing anything of substance out there. Gone for 10, 87 for 4. High full toss, and it did wait for the umpire. There was a question mark regarding the height of that particular full toss, but Peter Fulton was a willing mover. Catch to Shoaib Malik, who did well. Umar Gul is off the mark, his first wicket. In fact, his second wicket.
You've got it, it's the centre. Ready to go.
Straight over the bowler's head. That's as good as it gets. It's the 100 up for New Zealand as well.
Six number 13 for Craig McMillan. What a strike. Made it look extremely easy down the track. Full swing of the bat, and away it went. Absolutely glorious from him.
Going back for his second. Craig McMillan has made some tremendous innings here in this 2020. Looks like he's got a brand new bat for the semi-final as well. It's a heavy bat McMillan uses. He's done it again, but has he got enough distance? I don't think he has. Don't think he has. He hasn't. He's gone. That's a big blow again for Pakistan. Yunus Khan doesn't drop those. And the danger man, as far as Pakistan is concerned, Craig McMillan, is walking back. It's 104 for 5, and McMillan's gone for 12.
Edged and gone, a good catch from Cameron Akmal, a great over from Umar Gul. Just the 2 runs and the wicket from it. Another danger man's gone, Oram. He's gone for 1 in 4 deliveries. New Zealand 106 for 6.
Really has fallen apart since the rain break for New Zealand. They haven't got any momentum. This guy Gul holds a heavy ball, he scrambles the scene, he can change his pace, he's at you all the time as a bowler. He skids on to you, strong bowler. It's a good catch. Cameron Akmal has had his moments behind the stumps over the years. He takes it well.
Not on Afridi's arm now. There's trouble. There's all sorts of trouble. Chaos. 1 batsman wanted to go for the second. Daniel Vettori said no. Vettori sacrifices himself. He walked out of his crease to allow Ross Taylor to cross.
I just want to see Ross Taylor's head here. It looked as though he just dipped his head, turned and came back, irrespective of the call. Whereas he's running away, he doesn't look up at all at Daniel Vettori. Whether he heard any sort of a call is difficult. This is a better angle. He's coming towards the screen, dips his head and just dips his head and continues going. He hasn't looked up at all to see where Vettori is, and Vettori just creeps out and sacrifices himself, as you heard, but it's fallen apart.
Big swing to the leg side. It goes all the way for 6. Takes the single. Taylor wants 2, could be trouble. The running is all over the place. Did the right thing. Taylor wanted to get back on strike. Bond this time sacrifices himself. New Zealand have another run out. Bond has gone for 4. New Zealand 126 for 7. He make up for the run-outs that he's been involved in. 6 deliveries to try and get up to 140. Hit down the ground, hit hard, hit for 4. That's a good start from Taylor. That's why he wanted to get back on strike.
It's critical here that Asif gets the ball into the right areas. If he's aiming for the Yorker, which I'm sure he was aiming for here, that he doesn't miss his length. He doesn't necessarily like to come back and bowl at the death of the innings. Certainly not in the longer version of the game. I don't see it being any different here. So this is a test and an upward learning curve for Asif.
Swung away, that's towards the short boundary. That's a big 6 to the grassy bank. A good start to the over from New Zealand. 4, then 6.
Good striking. Asif missing his length again, and that's why Pakistan in recent history have not used him. Free strikes could get them to 145, 150 as well.
1 delivery left. First innings of this first semi-final. I thought 150 might be what New Zealand were aiming for. Let's see how close they get. Low full toss, straight up in the air. Cameron Akmal says mine. Gets under it, drops the catch. Run signalled. Chaos in the last few overs at Newlands.
Cameron Akmal, he's had some forgettable moments over the years. He can be very good. He can commit the simplest of errors.
It went straight up. I'm wondering if Cameron Akmal was concerned about the stumps. No, he was quite wide of the stumps. Worried about the batsman. Got the chance. New Zealand get 143. Big player. Shane Bond is definitely a big player. Can he get some early wickets? And can New Zealand protect 143? Wide and driven away. What a start. That'll ease the nerves in the dugout. First ball 4.
Hafiz has looked good in this tournament. He hasn't got a lot of runs so far, but every time he's got out there, he's played some beautiful shots. His little innings against Australia came in handy, and he showed a lot of class and promise, and this is indeed a promising start. Booming drive through the offside for a 4.
Well, it could be close with a direct hit. Oh.
Taylor was the fielder. He was involved in 2 run-outs, and here was a great chance to redeem himself with a direct hit. And even if that been accepted by the keeper, it could have been curtains for Hafiz. A real mix-up in the middle.
Edged between slip and wicket-keeper. Vettori can't believe it.
This should have been a keeper's take. He went after it and then allowed it to just go past him. There you see, thinking that the ball would go down the throat of the first left fielder. It was the keeper's catch. He was moving towards his right side, and New Zealand been given a chance, not accepting it.
And he'll make you pay. A real loose half volley put away for 4.
If he's off to a good start, Imran Nazir, he can make you pay because he's such a good timer of the ball. He's got great hand-eye coordination. Really was spanked through the offside.
Cut again, man in the gully gets past him. 4 more.
He's creating a bit of width for himself. It wasn't such a bad delivery from Mark Gillespie. Maybe you can question the length, but Imran Nazir staying where he was, going just a little bit inside the line of that ball, and once again hitting it hard. No chance for the gully fielder, no chance for the man in the deep.
Short and wide, you can't bowl short and wide on this surface. It's got to be fuller, it's got to be straighter. Pakistan off to a Bond has to adjust. A lot fuller, a lot straighter. He goes the other way, takes the glove. Goes away for 4. Run signalled. Short pulled away. All the way for 6. What a shot that is.
Well, he was looking great against Australia also, and he is looking a dynamite here in this innings. Mohammad Hafiz. A perfect pull shot played by him. He was waiting for that one, in position early, and then banging it hard for a flat 6. Brilliant batting. 3 4s, and now that innings includes this massive 6.
Clean as a whistle. And this has gone for another half a dozen here at Newlands. 50 up with that 6. Clean as.
Well, I said knock it around. And that's the best way to knock it, straight down the ground, full face of the bat, good follow through. Not one the bowler likes to see. Slower ball across the seam. But the important thing with the technique there, he kept the bat on line, went through with the shot.
Dancing shoes on, and this is another big one.
Well, Imran Nazir, no respecter of reputations. Straight down the wicket. Good old-fashioned club to long on. Gets enough on it. That gets plenty on it.
Now, semi-final stage, that they don't want to be speaking to anyone. So we go back upstairs for that decision.
Well, Bish, the guests you've got are not going to be happy about this. The Pakistan dugout behind Ian Bishop has now lost their first wicket. LBW decision going in the favour of Scott Styrus. Simon Torfel is the man raising his finger, the umpire. Desperately needed the breakthrough. Hafiz's LBW to Styrus. Leg side boundary is stacked. Here he goes, and he's got all of this one. Good night, it's gone a long way.
Well, number 4 was the ball. Picked the number. It wasn't 4, it was 6, and it was a big one as well. Good cricket shot from Nazir. Chassis down the wicket. Finds the middle of that willow.
A little bit of interesting byplay at the moment. Vittori and McCullum having a chat with the 3 Pakistani batsmen out there, just saying, well, you know, it's not stopping you dance down the track and smash a few. And again, it's a low full toss, and this is on its way up to the com box. That is another big blow.
Well, Imran Nazir's in a bit of a hurry, isn't he? I don't know what his injury is, but it's certainly not to his bat or his arms, that's for sure.
Slogged it straight to the man at long on. Ross Taylor. He can have another go. He can have another go. No, he can't. You can watch it going over his head. Oh, these blows are going to hurt. Nazir gets to his half century. That's a good innings. 38 balls, 4 sixes and 3 fours.
Coming into form just at the right time for Pakistan. 4th 6, and every time he tried to hit the ball straight, it has come off the middle of the stick and has gone the distance. Beautiful hitting.
Straight over the keeper's head. Oh, goodness me, it's gone for 6. He's going to refer it, Simon Tafel. He's not quite sure. Yes, it's 6, all right, that's a 6. Down on his knees, Patel, yes! He prayed for that decision. The danger man removed. It's only the start. Yes, inside edge. Smart piece of keeping. Vittori has backed himself and he's got his man. Yunus Khan is gone.
He was struggling in this innings. Yunus Khan gone for 4. Pakistan 104 for 3.
Entertainment now if he gets in and gets going. Diana Vittori will have other ideas. Oh dear, what's happened here?
I think it was probably the throw from the keeper that hit him. Chetan Patel with the throw, and it hit him on the head.
Strike. Slow ball. Hasn't gone slowly off the bat though. He's got it away for a boundary.
Great piece of timing from Afridi. He's heading the player of the tournament standing list with 7 points. Waited for the slow one and then try to hit it as straight as possible over the cover fielder. Easily done.
Out. Fulton takes the catch. Bond has delivered.
Will go the other way. Down the pitch, that's the shot they like to play against the spinner. He hasn't got it all, but he's got enough. That will release the pressure.
Lovely little flick of the wrists there from Malik. Just dragged it around. Watch the bottom hand. He just pulled that round nicely, so he got it away from long on. As he dragged it around a lot wider and just closed the face at the last second.
Vittori's been proactive. Mid-off comes up, saving the single. There's 5 people saving single now. Don't really need that, you just need the 4. Big shot coming, tries to get it over mid-off, he does. And it goes all the way for 6. Pakistan nearly there.
Yeah, good blow from Musbal Haq. Yeah, he's relieved it and changed it really. Just any pressure that was going to be built up in this over was now finished. One knee and swatted this straight as you like. All the way. Prayers there in the dugout. There's any need for that, even though it gets his Ramadan. Head this time of the year. 6 from 10, very comfortable.
Batting just a single. Probably at this stage don't want it going to the last over, just in case.
Excitement there from the dugout, nervous excitement. And disconsolately here, Chris Martin. What could have been, what should have been maybe. Can't drop catches and win matches. That old adage in this fabulous game. You've got to hold on to everything and take every half chance, particularly in a sudden death semi-final. Somebody get rid of Ramiz Raja out of the commentary box. That grin's getting to me.
5 off 9. Vettori really gambling. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the circle. Mid-on comes up now. Shoaib Malik will be very tempted to hit straight back over the bowler's head. He comes down, he goes. There's a man at deep mid-wicket. The gamble, and he's dropped it. Vettori put the man there. And would you believe it? Another chance goes down.
And it's Brendan McCullum's brother, Nathan McCullum. He made a lot of good ground, but athletes at this level often take those. Drags it around. Shoaib Malik, he wanted to finish the game in style. Not when he got there too. He'll be disappointed with that.
7 men in the ring now. Just 3 needed. Umpire just checking whether this went for 4 or not. It looks fine, apart from the drop catch. Needed. A lot of people saving the single. Down the pitch again, goes big again, goes in the same direction, goes all the way. What a way to win the match. Pakistan team celebrate, all of Pakistan celebrates. It's cartwheels. A difficult year for Pakistan cricket, and they've made it through to the final of the 2020 Cup. The captain, Shoaib Malik, leading from the front, rushed down the wicket and whacked it over deep mid-wicket for 6. What a way to win, what a way to get through to the final.